So this morning's He Said, She Said was inspired by a discussion our producer had with another colleague about gift giving. I'm not going to tell you the discussion the producer just had with me and Neville, but yeah. So the question directly asks, if your birthday is close to Christmas, should you get one gift for the two occasions or should you get two separate gifts? We had a social media talk back because we want to know what Una think before we say what we think.
All right.
And here's what Una think.
Different gifts for the different occasions. Signed, a December 23 girl. Taj, dream girl, your dream girl.
Mrs. McDonald _Jones. Two birthdays different from Christmas. Two different occasions. December 19, girl.
Gratefully _made. My birthday is January 3 and I wholeheartedly believe it should be 2. Please, I beg.
I beg, my Christmas gifts, my birthday gifts have to be separate. That's non-negotiable if you're going to be close to me. That's at Tannoy.
At South Reed 22, not to mention December wedding anniversary. For me, gifts for all three. Birthday, Christmas, and wedding anniversary.
Then why you got married near to this time? Sanola _first of her name. 2. I've been getting one dege gift for 40 years. Please and
thanks. Girl _mom _Hannah. I don't know. I don't normally get any gift for my birthday or Christmas.
Oh no.
Sorry about that.
At C Soka, December 26th is mine. I will be satisfied with one. Oh, that's nice. That's
You know, I kind of feel, well, I'm a little different. I mean, don't really matter to me if I even get a gift. I kind of prefer friendships and know some people in my corner. And I mean, if I don't get a gift from a friend, I'm never say, can you imagine they don't give me nothing because we know each other so many years and I'm sure I don't give her nothing.
No, you give me things.
You know, but no, I mean, I'm not going to pressure people. And again, it depends. I've told this story before that I come from a family abroad that would ensure that everyone got a gift. Argument done. We just want to make sure everybody gets a gift. So I don't have to buy 7 of them if I can't afford it. I struggle and say, we may get, or you know, somebody get a little $2 one and everybody else get a $30 one or a $40 one. So I just ensure that everyone gets a gift. And I'm good with that.
Yeah.
And if I don't get a gift because, what may I do? Vex with you? Can you not give me nothing? You're not obligated to give me nothing. But it's kind of difficult if you're born. What if you're born Christmas Day? Like Pierre Trudeau, the Prime Minister, his son, Justin Trudeau. Him and him 2 siblings born Christmas Day. So what that mean? I must give you a Merry Christmas and a birthday?
Or a big happy Christmas.
What do you think? You must get 2?
I just think it would depend on what I'm purchasing.
Yeah. And it depends on who the person is also.
Yeah. So I can give a cologne and a pouch.
Put the cologne in that.
Put the cologne in that and say, happy birthday, Merry Christmas.
You know,